The Trap and the Doves. A flock of doves was flying in search of grains. After flying for miles, they saw grains under a tree. They immediately flew down and started eating the grains. But it was a trap set by a hunter. The doves were trapped in the hunter's nest. But their leader cried, "We must not lose courage. Let us fly together along with this nest." So, to the hunter's utter amazement, the doves rose high with the net. After flying some distance, the leader said, "My friend, the king of rats will help us. Let us go to him." So they flew to where the rats lived. When the rat king saw them, he was surprised. The leader of the doves told him everything. The king rat immediately bit the net with his teeth and freed the doves. The dove leader and the rat king hugged each other. The doves thanked the rat king.